I see large colony ants becoming an issue. They're spreading fairly rapidly through the country in the southeast, and things like tawny crazy ant are really taking over. They're very difficult to control. So I think that that's going to be an increasing problem in my area. And then rodents, is always an issue. But with the influx of storms and things like that, every time we have a hurricane, it really stirs all the rodent populations up. So. I think really focusing on the person, focusing on the people and not the job, and treating them as human beings and treating them well really will aid in retention. Celebrating, things that need to be celebrated, and even if it's just a small outing or something, and building teamwork, that helps with retention. So they know that somebody cares about them and their family, and so even with a large company, it's really important. Yeah. So training new employees is really important. The thorough training and making sure that they know what they're doing in the field. Before they go into the field, obviously, and making sure that that training program is really robust. That's important, but we can't lose focus on current employees, and especially long-term employees. Everybody needs to be retrained, or just a refresher on what they were originally trained to do. And technology changes, products change, and so we have to make sure that we keep them up to date on all of that. I think the more mobile we can be, the better. Whether that's texting with customers or chatting online with potential customers. The more mobile and less, less like phone calls and stuff like that. Where you can be doing multiple things at once is better. And then I think in the industry, as far as our specialists go. I think that the mobile technology is the future. Having smaller devices for service reporting and stuff. So I really enjoyed the roundtables yesterday. Being able to sit with the same sort of the same people in our industry and talk about the same topics and see how other companies are doing the same things that we do is really helpful, sparking ideas and just kind of like, just a little symposium, at the table, and I thought that was really helpful. And the vendor one-to-ones was also very helpful. Meeting with vendors, and some of them we know, we've already talked to them and stuff, but they always have new products, and it's helpful to come to them with problems that we have in the field now, or things that we see that are coming, and be able to discuss solutions and come up with solutions and build those relationships with those vendors.